Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Finviz screener for day trading. Open Finviz and go to the Screener tab, then pick Descriptive, Fundamental, and Technical filters. Start simple by filtering price, average volume, and market cap to match your capital and strategy. Save a few templates so you can switch setups quickly during market hours and iterate as you learn what works for you. Begin with pragmatic defaults. Choose a minimum average volume, set price bands, and apply relative volume for urgency. Add technical patterns like breakout, support, or moving average crossovers to surface actionable setups. Narrow by sector or market cap to reduce noise and align with your expertise. Test each filter combination in a paper account to refine what produces the most consistent signals for your day. Save screen templates for momentum, breakouts, and gap plays so you can load them instantly. Run saved screens per market and at key intraday times to catch early movers and setup changes. Integrate broker alerts or third-party apps to ping you when a stock matches a saved screen, reducing manual monitoring. Keep each template focused and prune filters regularly to avoid missing valid setups due to overfitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.